At the University of Bradford, we are proud to celebrate the 60th anniversary of the School of Management.
We have a proud history focused on social change.
That is all about inclusivity, is all about innovation.
And that's at the centre of everything we do. We've moved location.
Being on campus has many benefits.
It's much easier to work with colleagues across the university now.
We're closer to our industrial partners.
Our purpose as a school is to create a progressive, socially engaged community.
And creating networks.
And nurturing the local talent.
The thing that's constant is the passion about our learners.
The support from Bradford was outstanding.
School of Management is Triple Crown accredited.
It really reflects the type of teaching, the type of environment we provide.
Ensuring that our students have the skills and capabilities that they need.
Applying that learning in the workplace.
To make the change they want to see in the world.
And it's given me the confidence and tools to give back to the community.
I'm really becoming the best version of myself.
I'm doing things that I never thought I would do.
Artificial intelligence, analytics.
Innovation that cuts across the board, both locally and globally.
Our research makes a positive difference.
Link up with professionals from around the world.
Internationalising our work, our research.
Making our world more sustainable.
For our future and for the future of the world.
The school is proud of its people.
As an alumni member, I still feel actively engaged as part of the school's community.
I feel at home.
We are a big family.
We are on the journey with you.
So I hope that the School of Management will continue to innovate.
That ethos on responsible management is not going to go away.
And really proud of what we have achieved.
Our learners really are empowered.
I'm excited to discover what the next 60 years holds for the School of Management.
I cannot wait to see the bright future that lays ahead.